Little piggies, huh? Look at you guys. Just growing little baby bull mastiffs, huh? Hey, you're hogging the whole bowl, Missy. I just want to be a big girl, huh? Jeez, you guys. Quit. Just pick a side, you guys. My goodness. You just walked over everybody's head. You're such a goofy kid. Now you're walking over your brother's head. Oh man, you guys are crazy. Try to fit all those big bull mastiff baby heads in the bowl. All at the same time, of course. Get off your sister. Jeez. Young man. I didn't put their collars on. That's the yellow boy right there. And this is, let me see your chest. Let me see. You're the blue boy, and this here is the green boy. Wait, no. You're the blue boy. That's the green boy. That's the yellow boy, and that's the only girl, who is huge. She was been huge right from the get-go. When she was born, she was like twice the size of her brothers. You're a big girl, huh? Let me see your face, piggy. Let me see your face, piggy girl. Silly puppies. Silly puppies. You guys are such little bowl hogs, huh? Get your feet out. Get your feet out of the bowl. Let me see your face. Come here, baby. That's a little girl. She's going to be a nice light fawn color when she loses her puppy fuzz. And these guys, the best way I've been able to tell is by the fur on the top of their heads, what color they'll turn out. And the boys are all going to be pretty red, I think. They've all got nice deep red hair on the top of their heads. So. Look at the little piggies. They like their food. If you couldn't tell. I have to get you guys individual bowls, huh? Hi, mister. What you doing, huh? What you doing, mister? A good boy, huh? Little piggies. Nice, sweetheart. He's a sweet boy, huh? Who's such a sweet boy? Who's such a sweet boy? Such a good boy. Missy, get your feet out of the bowl. You guys are crazy. Going around in circles. Beautiful puppies. You end up drowning somebody if you keep laying on their heads. Don't want that. Hi, baby. Little good girl, huh? Oh, such a pretty girl. Hey, what you doing? What you doing? What you doing? What are you doing, mister? Huh? That's a yellow boy. You sure you like yellow boy, huh? Yellow boy. There's that's the blue boy right here, and the green boy. You're sure the blue boy, huh? Let me see your face. A little piglet. You're a little piglet. Yes, you are. What? What, the big babies? Good puppies. Such a good girl. What are you doing? What are you doing? Such a girl. Are you all fat and full now, huh? All fat and full. Yeah, no, you all cuddly, huh? You're all happy and cuddly. You're too close. I can't get you that close, silly girl. Silly girl. Silly girl. Okay. I'll get your collars on and be back. What, little piggies, huh? Good boy. You guys are silly puppies.